Good morning, students. Welcome to history class again. Dear students, in this video, we will learn about the sects of Buddhism. We will learn about Hinayana and Mahayana, the two groups in Buddhism. After the death of Lord Buddha, the religion founded by Lord Buddha divided into two groups. And these groups were Hinayana and Mahayana. So we will learn the differences between these two groups. Okay. So during the deliberations of the Fourth Buddhist Council, so these Buddhist Council were the meetings convened by the Buddhist monks at various places to discuss and sort out the differences between the teaching of them. Okay. Buddhist Council were the meetings convened to settle doctrinal and disciplinary disputes and to revise and correct the contents of the sutras. So these were the Buddhist Council. We can say these were the religious meetings convened at various places. There were four councils. The first Buddhist Council is traditionally said to have been held just after Buddha's parinirvana and presided over by Magakashyapa, one of Buddha's most senior disciples at Rajgriha, the present Rajgir. Soon after the death of Lord Buddha, there was a meeting at Bihar, Rajgriha. It was one of the first Buddhist council. And the second Buddhist council was held at Vaishali, and it was attended by 700 monks. Third council was at Padaliputra, and the fourth council is said to have been convened by Kushan Emperor Kanishka the Great in 78 AD at Kundalban in Kashmir. So these were the early Buddhist council or the meetings. Okay, first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Okay, during the Buddhist council, in the reign of Kanishka the Great, Buddhism split into two sects, Hinayana and Mahayana. During the reign of Kanishka the Great Emperor of the Kushan dynasty, in the second century, he was famous for his military campaigns, political and spiritual achievements. Kanishka, the great ruler. And he was a strong supporter of what we call Buddhism, and he belonged to Mahayana sect. Okay, we will learn about these two sects now, Hinayana and Mahayana. Hinayana stood for following the doctrine of Buddha in letter and spirit. Okay, Hinayana. This sect strictly followed the teachings of Lord Buddha. That is the meaning of letter and spirit. It denied the existence of God. Okay, they did not believe in the existence of God. Hinayana holds that the Eightfold Path is the only means of salvation according to this sect, according to this group. They said or they believed the Eightfold Path is the only means of salvation. Already we have learned about the Eightfold Path. One should follow the Eightfold Path to attain moksha or salvation. So according to Hinayana, okay, please remember, it shuns idol worship and does not believe that Buddha was God. Okay, they did not believe that Buddha was God. Buddha was regarded as a human being who attained enlightenment and nirvana through his own efforts. According to Hinayana, they believed that Buddha was a human being who attained enlightenment and nirvana through his own efforts. And their language was Pali. Pali was used by the followers of Hinayana as the language of the scriptures. They did not use Sanskrit. Pali was a language. And Buddha also followed and used Pali, the language of the common people. So he delivered his sermons Lord Buddha delivered his sermons in Pali language only. So what happened? Many people understood the meaning of his sermons, teachings. The Hinayana sect is found in India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar and Laos, Cambodia, Laos at present. So what is Hinayana? So please remember, Hinayana is a group or a sect of Buddhism, because after the death of Lord Buddha, there was a split in this religion or in his religion due to the differences between the followers of Lord Buddha. This led a split in Buddhism. Okay, into Hinayana and Mahayana. Okay, and here we have a lot of Hinayana strictly followed the teachings of Lord Buddha. They strictly followed the word Hinayana, once again meaning Hinayana formed of Hina, it means little, and Yana or Yan means vehicle, where vehicle means a way of going to enlightenment. From these two words, Hina and Yan, Hinayana, lesser vehicle or little vehicle. Okay, vehicle means a way of going to enlightenment, Hinayana sect. Okay, so please remember the importance of Hinayana. Hinayana holds that the Eightfold Path is the only means of salvation. According to this sect, or they strongly believe the Eightfold Path is the only way of salvation, way for salvation. Okay, so please remember. Now, next one, Mahayana. And the present, please remember, the Hinayana sect is found today in India also, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Cambodia, Laos are the important places of this sect now. The presence of this sect in Buddhism now, Hinayana. Okay, Hinayana. And now the Mahayana. The term Mahayana means greater vehicle. Okay, greater vehicle. Hinayana we have already know, lesser vehicle. Hina and Yan. Okay, lesser vehicle. And Mahayana means greater vehicle. What is the meaning of the term vehicle? Means a way of going to enlightenment. Okay. So Mahayana means the greater vehicle of salvation. Salvation we have read moksha, no? Salvation. It is a combination of Buddhism and Hinduism. Okay, what is a combination of Buddhism and Hinduism? Mahayana. So once again, what is Mahayana? Mahayana is a sect or a group in Buddhism. Please remember, a sect of Buddhism, sect, S-E-C-T, sect means group. We have learned now, after the death of Lord Buddha, his religions divided into two. Okay, means Mahayana and Hinayana, or Hinayana and Mahayana. Okay, please remember. Then, and Mahayana is a combination of Buddhism and Hinduism. Okay, what do you mean by combination of two religions? So this sect adopted many things from Hinduism. That is why Hinduism. And Mahayana believes that Buddha was an incarnation of God and he was the one who could ensure salvation. What do you mean by incarnation? In Hindi it is known as avatar. Okay, the Mahayana sects believe that Buddha was an incarnation of God and he was the one who could ensure salvation according to Mahayana. Okay. Simultaneously, the concept of bodhisattvas also developed according to Mahayana. The bodhisattvas were those holy Buddhists who had not asked yet to go to nirvana like Buddha, but who were proceeding rapidly towards it. So bodhisattva. Okay, bodhisattvas were those holy Buddhists who had not asked yet to go to nirvana or moksha like Buddha, but who were proceeding rapidly towards it. Bodhisattva. Okay, so please remember. In fact, they were Buddha in the making. According to Mahayana, Bodhisattvas were the Buddha in the making. They made their goal to attain Swarga or a state of eternal bliss rather than attaining Nirvana. The worship of images of Buddha and Bodhisattvas became an important component of Mahayana. Okay, Mahayana sect of Buddhism began to worship the images of Buddha and Bodhisattvas. Okay, Mahayana sect. On the other hand, we already know the Hinayana. Okay, here we already know Buddha was regarded as a human being who attained enlightenment and nirvana through his own effort. That was the concept of Hinayana about Lord Buddha. No, they said Buddha was a human being and who attained enlightenment and nirvana through his own efforts. But here another one, no, Mahayana believes that Buddha was an incarnation or an avatar of God, and he was the one who could ensure salvation. So their concept about Lord Buddha, concept of Mahayana about Lord Buddha, concept of Hinayana about Lord Buddha. Please remember this one. Okay, Hinayana and Mahayana, two sects. Then Buddhist scholars like Nagarjuna. Nagarjuna was one of the most important Buddhist philosophers. Nagarjuna. Who was Nagarjuna? Nagarjuna was one of the most important Buddhist philosopher, born in 150 AD, born on 150 AD in Andhra Pradesh, but very little known about him and his life. But he was a Buddhist, what we can say, philosopher, a saint. Okay, Nagarjuna was a Buddhist philosopher, Nagarjuna, born in Andhra Pradesh. And he, tried his best to spread Buddhism in India, other places. Buddhist philosopher. We can call he was a Buddhist saint. He was a Buddhist saint, one of the most popular Buddhist saint, Nagarjuna, born in Andhra Pradesh in 150 AD. Okay, Nagarjuna. Then Buddhist scholars like Nagarjuna and Asanga. Asanga was one of the most important spiritual figures of Mahayana Buddhism. Okay, then Asanga, Nagarjuna, we say Nagarjuna. Then Asanga was also one of the most popular Buddhist philosopher, born in the present Peshawar in Pakistan. Okay, Asanga, Nagarjuna and Asanga. Okay, who was Nagarjuna? Nagarjuna was a famous Buddhist philosopher born in Andhra Pradesh in 150 AD, Nagarjuna. Then who was Asanga? Asanga was also a great Buddhist philosopher born in the present, in Peshawar, the present day Pakistan. Asanga was one of the most important spiritual figures of Mahayana Buddhism. Okay. Buddhist scholars like Nagarjuna and Asanga founded the Mahayana sect. They wrote their scriptures in Sanskrit. So this sect of Buddhism used Sanskrit as their language. They did not follow this Pali, no? Okay. Kanishka was a follower of Mahayana. Kanishka, the emperor, he belonged to Kushana dynasty. He was a great conqueror and also what we can say Buddhist, what we can say philosopher also. Okay, Kanishka. Okay. The followers of this sect are found in northwestern parts of India, Southeast Asian countries, China and Japan. Mahayana sect. Okay. So dear student, so in this video, a short video, okay, we have learned about two sects of Buddhism, that is Hinayana and Mahayana. So what is the main difference between these two, or what are the differences between these two? That is very important. Differences between Hinayana and Mahayana. Hinayana, little yan vehicle, Hinayana. Mahayana. Okay, and we have learned about the Buddhist councils we have learned. These were the religious meetings held at various places after the death of Lord Buddha. First Buddhist Council, Second Buddhist Council, Third Buddhist Council, and fourth during the time of Kanishka. Kanishka was a ruler. Okay, he belonged to the Kushana dynasty, Kanishka. And he convened the fourth Buddhist Council in Kashmir. Okay, fourth Buddhist Council in 78 AD. 78, Kanishka, the great emperor, convened the fourth Buddhist council, okay, at Kundalban in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, so please remember Hinayana, Mahayana, Nagarjuna, okay, Asanga, Kanishka. Please revise. And here the most important point is that the differences between the two, okay, sects. Please remember Mahayana and their, okay, beliefs, Hinayana and their beliefs, okay, means differences between these two groups, no? Okay. After completing the explanation, you have to complete the CW copy and submit it to school, Nadira school, for correction. I will send a message to you all, okay, to this video. Okay, revise and learn about the two sects in Buddhism, Hinayana, Mahayana. Okay, thank you.